So this is my proposal, Cardano School. It's basically a DAO that should be run by the Cardano community for marketing, education, and content creation. Oh my God, the slides are not passing. Oh, okay, now it passed. Okay, I cannot use the normal things. So basically, blockchain, cryptocurrency, Cardano is difficult to understand, and this difficulty to understand, to use, and to realize why it's important for our life, it's a barrier to adoption. And one thing that helps a lot in this barrier to adoption is content creation and content creators that play a crucial role, at least from what I know and from my experience, onboarding a lot of people into the blockchain, into understanding these topics in a simpler way and into using things. But they don't really get back the value they are creating for blockchain. It's just a labor of passion, and that means they don't have as much time to do what is necessary. And the solution would be the creation of this DAO to support content creation, a DAO where the community would have a direct voice in the content that should be created, where we can set a strategy for marketing and education of the community and to reach new audiences, and where content creators will be part of the process, of the decision process, but also supported to create this kind of content. Basically, the impact is it gives a voice to the community to directly say what it thinks it lacks in the Cardano ecosystem. It also rewards and attracts content creators to create content and better quality content regularly. It's a place for projects to be able to just push their project into the ecosystem, get to know themselves, to also like show tutorials, how they can use the apps, etc. It also creates an institution that will be focused on setting strategies for education and marketing for the Cardano ecosystem and to onboard new users. And it can also play an important role as a place for debates whenever we have the governance in the Cardano blockchain, which I think is valuable and necessary. In terms of advantages compared to the solutions we have now, basically, we have the community directly involved in the content creation process, making decisions and choosing who is creating the content, and also getting benefits from supporting and sharing the work of this DAO. We have a way to support, empower, and grow content creators. It will also aggregate the audiences from the different content creators, reach new audiences, and content creators will benefit from that, from the work they are doing here in this DAO. And we can have, as I said before, an institution to focus on education and marketing, something we don't have right now. And this institution as an advantage would be decided and controlled by the community. For more information, please join the proposal Discord. We'd love to have you there just because we need people to make this happen, and it's for the Cardano community. So if you're not there, it doesn't matter. And you can check the proposal here and also my YouTube channel. And thank you very much, guys.